Welcome to the Jobber tutorial on how to request reviews. Requesting reviews is an essential part of building your online reputation and growing your business. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of requesting reviews in Jobber. To get started, navigate to the Jobber dashboard and click on the Reviews tab. From here, you can view all your customer reviews and ratings. To request a review, click on the Request a Review button. You can request reviews from customers who have completed a job or have an upcoming scheduled job. When requesting a review, you can customize the message to fit your business needs. You can choose from a variety of pre-built templates or create your own custom message. Make sure to keep your message concise and friendly, and include a clear call to action. Next, select the customers you want to request reviews from. You can filter customers by job status, date, or location. This allows you to target specific customers and tailor your review requests accordingly. Once you have selected your customers, click on the Send Requests button to send out the review requests. It is essential to follow up with customers who have not left a review. Jobber allows you to set up automated follow-up emails to remind customers to leave a review. You can customize the follow-up email template and schedule to fit your business needs. Best practices for requesting reviews include being timely, personalized, and respectful. Request reviews shortly after a job is completed, and make sure to address customers by name. Also, be sure to respond promptly to all reviews, both positive and negative, to show that you value customer feedback. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively request reviews in Jobber and improve your online reputation. Remember to keep your review requests concise, friendly, and personalized, and to follow up with customers who have not left a review. With Jobber, you can easily manage your online reputation and grow your business.